Where in the world do you invest next?
India is not only a market. India is a launch pad for global growth.
There is one nation where the answer has been clear for 12 years. India. 12 years of reform have built an India of scale, with stability and expanding opportunity. Where enterprise can grow with confidence. India is designing, manufacturing, and exporting for the world. Our electronics sector has grown sixfold over the decade. Our semiconductor ecosystem is taking shape. Our workers are building products that reach every continent. We are not waiting for the world to come to us. We are already supplying it. The technologies that will define the next decade are being built in India. Over 2,000 global capability centers have chosen India as a home for advanced technology work. This is where some of the world's most ambitious technology comes to life. India is building one of the world's most significant clean energy opportunities. We achieved a major climate milestone 5 years ahead of schedule. Green hydrogen is now a national mission. The clean energy sector in India is open, ambitious, and built for long-term investment. When the world needs medicine, India supplies it. When it needs food security, India delivers. When it needs trusted capability, India is building it. These are sectors of global demand and sectors of long-term opportunity. India is building the infrastructure its economy needs and your investment requires. Integrated multimodal planning is connecting production to markets and India to the world. India has done what it said it would do. A stable democracy, a growing economy, a workforce ready to build with you. India is not a future possibility. India is a present opportunity. India is ready for the next chapter of global growth. Come, invest in India. Build for the world.